So hey guys, this is going to be a C# tip tutorial specifically about namespaces and what namespaces can help you do. So namespaces specifically allow you to keep classes in specific folders almost. You imagine that you put a lot of files into a folder, that's what namespaces allow you to do, and allow you to avoid script clashing. If classes are called the same thing, like these two scripts, they're called player controller, and they would clash because they're their exact same class name and it wouldn't understand which one you're supposed to use. Say this player controller was going to be single player and this one was going to be multiplayer. Obviously you could change the class name to single player and multiplayer, but in some instances if you import assets from the Unity store, they might have the similar names to things you've already created and it might clash with the things that you use. So it's good practice just to write at the top above any of the classes you've got is write namespace, and then you could call this single player, and then we can add a left facing curly bracket. We can just grab the entirety of that class, just tab it across and just end that curly bracket so we encapsulate that entire class itself. We can do the same with the other one we've got. There's a different way that we reference things from another script. So let me change this just to make it easier. So I will just call this single player script. So if I just call it like this, and you can see that single player script is there. If I want to go into my multiplayer script and reference that, so I could say private, and then normally you could actually call this single player script, because if I give you the example and I get rid of the namespace and then I save it, you can see that now I can reference the single player script because it's not protected by anything. But because it's now in a namespace, we can actually get access to it quite as easily. We'd have to do a longer reference to that. But what we can do at the top when we say these ones are using Unity Engine, because they're namespaces too, you can just say using single player. So it's going to be the namespace that you want to use. So this could be a namespace which will have a collection of classes and scripts that are all based on a namespace called single player. So you can then reference that single player script and call this whatever you want. So it just helps you be able to reference things from others. And you can do similarly with this. We can call this one, have this a namespace of single player, and we could have this health controller. You know, we just keep this together and we don't need that namespace anymore. Now we've got them both in the same namespace because they both are part of the same working environment that you're trying to do. So it's a good habit to get into using namespaces to consolidate all your scripts together and all your classes together, so you always avoid script clashing where you can, especially if somebody else is going to work on the project with you. So be sure to check out my Patreon, the community Discord, and any of my great free assets on the Unity store. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.